Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your jewelry go from looking like this to looking like this in under a few minutes at home in 2 simple, easy ways. So stick around and I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, roll intro. Rightio, so welcome to my bench. Here we have 2 options that I'm going to demonstrate today that are possible for you to do at home. So over here I've got a piece of extra fine quadruple zero steel wool, which is super great for cleaning jewelry, especially if it's extra dirty and your jewelry has a matte finish. So this will get rid of everything really well. So I'm going to show you how that will turn out. So that's how it looks now, and I'm going to give that a good polish and clean that up. So already, as you can see, a little wipe over, voila, that already looks way better. So give that a little wipe over, and that brings the shine back quite nicely. And it doesn't take a lot, that even from on this inside part here. Look at that. Cleans it up really well. So just give it a rub over. If you go in kind of circular motions, then it kind of does leave a little bit of a fine streak over it. So that's up to you if you don't mind that. But let's just give that a good little clean inside here, and I'll show you what it looks like. So you can compare the difference between the finishes of the 2 different methods that I'm demonstrating here today. So give that a nice rub. So either you can go in one direction, across like that, or if you want you can go in circles. So the circles will kind of give it a bit more of a matte finish, whereas if you go across it's less visible in a way. So look at that already, voila. So just try and get into all the corners. Basically that is shiny and new again. So all done. Look at that. So it does give you a bit of a matte finish. Obviously this piece of jewelry didn't have a high polish to start off with, because personally I'm not into the high polish, but as you can see that is cleaned up really well. No dirt on it, well, besides the steel wool, but compared to how it looked before, nice and shiny. Right, the second option we have is a piece of polishing cloth which is impregnated with a silver compound, so silver polishing compound. So I'm going to show you how that works with this grubby looking ring here, and show you how it can come back to life in a matter of minutes with just a quick rub over. So you'll see if I rub this, then the cloth itself is going to become dirty because all of that is coming off into the cloth. So this is a really nice option if your jewelry has a high polish. So for example, wedding rings or anything like that. So give it a little once over, and in a matter of a minute or so, voila. That is so clean, and all of that is on the polishing cloth. So putting that on, did that even fit? Look at that. Well, there you have it. In under 2 minutes, you can literally have your jewelry looking super shiny and new again and giving it a fresh lease of life. So if you're interested, I have a little kit on my website that you can buy to clean your own jewelry at home. So there you go. I hope you find that helpful. And if you did, give me a thumbs up here. And also, if you want to tag me in your Instagram pictures with your before and after of how your jewelry looked then and now, I would love to see that. Anyway, have an awesome week. Bye, guys. Exactly. It's nice and shiny. The polishing cloth, which is impregnated with a